talk about how can you disable sound effects on your FitShop. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down, click in this sign down here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here into, you will find here settings, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. Come here to sound effects, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's sound effects disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.